Where are we at? Melrose?
Hawick, we're at
Where are we?
Hawick.
Hawick.
Oh, I
I've
have
just
it. I
got-
do my sat nav, eh?
I've set mine to take us home, so it'll take me,
So which way? Stay up the A7 then what?
I don't know, straight up the 87.
22 degrees.
Yeah, it's warm.
Aye, that was a good wee fuel stop and a wee stretch of the legs.
It's just coming, Stevie. Stop it. A van cut us.
First exit then?
Yeah,
Aye,
just
aye.
follow the 87.
A7, Gala Shields, Edinburgh.
Oh, I know that guy. never
Shorts
got
and
back.
t-shirt.
Scooter.
Comes up at 20 mile an hour.
You'll feel it.
I'll feel it.
It comes up at 10 miles an hour, you have no skin left.
No skin left. That's exactly what this stuff does. It stops
That's
that
it.
happening.
That's at 10 mile an hour.
Well, it slows down the skin peel in these our gear.
Now, to be fair, it enriches the gene pool.
Aye.
That's true.
197 miles so far.
Yeah, it's been a good day. Much did you say you had on your shot?
I've done 198 miles now.
I've got 193 on mine, but I think I set mine later on.
And the bike's done 2,519 miles now.
I'm over 4,500.
That's good though, John, that is really good.
Can't fault the comfort of this bike compared to what
Oh,
this is.
definitely, yeah.
Comfort on this is super.
It is.
And like, the batteries just made that wee bit of difference just to put it in your right and bang into the comfort zone.
Aye. I'll
Just
agree with
push
you.
it back up enough.
I'll agree with that. That's us coming into Selkirk.
Yep.
The temperature is 20 degrees, the local time is 18. People flying.
That's it, Stevie. There we go, we could have got a jet, John.
There you go. At least we know for next time we're coming down this road, there's plenty.
And it's
Human
cheaper.
interaction.
Oh, she's a big lassie, that man. What a skin there.
Two big tree trunks hold that up.
What a cracking night though, eh?
You change your zip gate, John.
Aye. 22 degrees still.
Yeah, I've
Come
been
on,
doing
what in your best, do it in your best air pilot's voice.
And we're currently travelling to Gala Shields, cruising at an altitude of 4 feet, and it's 22 degrees, and we've got a nice headwind that we're heading into, and we're travelling at 30 miles an hour, and it's a 20. We slow down and drop out of the sky to protect the environment.
That's not half bad, you know.
Aye, that impressed me as well, Sean, I've got to be honest.
That was pretty good, aye.
Oh,
Did
that's
it-
good.
did
Oh,
it-
the shores!
Did it give you a wee tingle, John? Eyes left.
Oh, quick slug of that. Wallop.
At the next roundabout, we'll be taking the second exit, Steve.
That was good getting a nod off that copper earlier, eh?
Aye.
Fair
Do you
play.
ever go up to bike cops and just talk to them? They're sound.
He used to be one that stayed 2 doors away from me. Davey, honestly, it was him that told me loads about the bike. It says about getting the white helmet and all that. That was him.
I've got a white show, eh? But it's not got a sun visor, eh?
I've got a Jerry helmet.
No feet down for me.
That's his fault.
Oh, we're in Tesco's, that's the wrong way.
Aye. Right, so, we're waiting for Stevie to come back.
You Tesco.
Aye.
That's
Every little helps, I suppose. And it wasn't a Tesco either.
You're round and round about twice.
aye.
It was Asda.
I only went round it once. We do a deficit round it once, so.
That was funny. To be fair, you never missed a beat and came right back out again.
And there's the Gala Shields bus station on your left.
Ambulance ahead, lights on.
It'll probably be some junkie in the bus station spazzed out.
That's another one less to worry about.
Is that their bus station?
Aye.
Awesome.
Quite smart, eh?
For a hole like this, yeah.
Do you know, a couple of my daughter's pals from uni stay down here, but they stay in like Hawick and somewhere else, else or something. They say Gala Shields is like Craigshill.
Aye, it is.
They've slapped some lipstick on it, but it's still the same.
Smells the egg. Have you farted, John?
No. No, this thing. Lights,
Camera.
a road,
Action!
Ludworks.
No feet down, John. No feet down. Good lad. There are these for that.
Oh, she'd get that. Ah, my.
Hey ho!
Great on her, like.
And she's already got her hair tied back, how thoughtful.
Yeah. There's a ponytail I was talking about earlier.
Aye.
That's not a ponytail, it's just tied back at the back of her head.
Like a wee bun.
Ponytail, Davey.
If it's a proper ponytail, you use it on horses' reins, man.
No, that's
Tails
what,
are even better.
Stevie, no, that's the bunches. It's when they've got their hair in bunches. Use it like a horse's reins.
What the? I'm kidding. You never went one-handed on a horse like.
What, and swinging your whip?
Oh,
Sorry, Stevie, but I've got to fart.
I've got my nose.
I'm done.
What, you see that turbulence?
That was the warm air, eh?
Right. Like a shockwave hit me.
Yep. Oh, he must be important. He's got his yellow lights on.
It's special.
Aye.
What a beautiful view.
It's lovely, eh?
Well, yeah, I think it's 6:30 at night, it's still 23 degrees.
Aye.
Beautiful.
Yep.
This is what summers are about.
But the climate evangelists will tell you otherwise. That's 225 miles I've done so far.
Sorry.
Good ride out, eh? You can't whack it, eh? Well, I like whacking it, eh? But you know what I mean.
So how many hours of footage have you got to edit?
Yeah, quite a few. But 90% it ends up in the bin. Well, that's over 500 miles we've done this weekend, Alec.
Easy.
Oh, this is
Oh,
good.
the Gold Bridge already?
Aye.
Yeah.
Right, go brag.
Time flies when you're having fun.
50 miles to here. Half an hour.
No feet down, boys. Excellent. 10 out of 10 for everybody there. Yeah?
Oh! Don't do that, Sean.
No. That's why I need cruise control, Alexander. Forgot I was still in first,
Your back brake light looks like a wee smiley face.
Does, eh?
I'm happy to see you.
Does that mean you two are looking at his arse?
Absolutely.
I'm not looking at his arse.
Well,
That's a better.
to be fair, you can't miss it.
Oh!
Touché.
Right, we're taking a left here, eh?
Aye, take a left up to Gilmerton, aye. Misses out the roundabout, eh? It's alright, Stevie knows where he's going, he's still a 29, eh?
I'll have you know I'm not a 29, I'm a perfect 10.
Oh, Stevie, enjoying me Johnny with us.
Aye, good. Aye, I've enjoyed the banter.
Aye. That's what it's all about, Stevie, eh? We just like to have a
I
wee...
wasn't sure I was going to go for these pubs like one of them, but
Aye.
I'm just listening to my music, just go for it.
Well,
I think it's a game changer, and it just makes it so much more fun.
Right chaps, I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah, see you later, boys.
Good find out today, look.
Aye, brilliant. Thanks for coming out, Stevie.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Thanks for coming out and show you what I was done.
Anytime, mate. No, honestly, anytime. And yeah, we have learnt a few lessons.
Nothing, so it's nothing to practice.
Certainly.
That was good.
Right, we're coming off here. Right, guys, catch you later.
Yeah, there, nice.
Bye.
Yeah. Take care.
Stevie, drop me a text when you get home so I can you go back.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, I know, but what we're looking at like that traffic.
Just us, Johnny boy.
Yeah.